Today we're traveling to one of the most famous beaches in the entire world, the Whitsundays and Whitehaven Beach in Eastern Australia. Almost said good morning. Good night, actually. We are very, very tired. Today is like day 7 of 14-hour days here in Australia because Bri and I are addicts when it comes to adventure. We just like to go, see as many places as possible. Yesterday, which is crazy because it feels like a week ago, we scuba dived in the Great Barrier Reef for a time. She's a legend. She got past a huge fear of hers and then woke up today, 5 a.m. We drove a total of about 10 and a half hours today. Went to 3 waterfalls. Unbelievable day. We're in Airlie Beach. It is like 10:30. We have a busy day tomorrow. We are going to go for a scenic flight around the Whitsundays and Whitehaven Beach and Hill Inlet and Hook Island, all of the famous spots here, and then we're going to go on a boat cruise for the rest of the day. It should be awesome, but time for some rest. We'll see you in the morning.
Good morning. We are going to go on a scenic flight and raft thing today over the Whitsundays, and it's going to be stunning. Knock on wood, or as they say here, tap on plastic. It's not raining, so wish us luck.
There's actually blue in the sky.
Going to find a coffee so Kevin can go number 2 this morning.
That is
There's
not.
No boat, there are no bathrooms.
We want coffee no matter what.
Just got on our flight. There's only 3 people on here, so we can kind of move spots in the plane.
Hey guys, I'll just get you to watch me. So this
4 people did not show, so we essentially have a private flight, which is incredible. So we're all going to sit on one side so we can do only one pass and spend more time with the best views. Feeling sick?
I was, and it was hot. So I recommend taking Dramamine or something before. I got super motion sick, and yeah, it was a good experience, but the plane was really hot and bouncy, and I was like, oh my god.
After our flight around the Whitsundays, we came back to the airport, hopped in the van, and made our way to the marina to start out the boat section of the tour. Airlie Beach is such a beautiful town in of itself, and one really convenient thing about the tour is that transportation is included, so you don't need to worry about getting from place to place. Once we reached the marina, we checked in to get our boarding pass, we got our stinger suits, and made our way onto the boat for our first stop of the day. Hiking up to the lookouts above the Whitsundays, famous photo spot, 3rd most photographed place in Australia, and then we'll head down to Whitehaven Beach. It's just like a 20-minute walk up. After our hike at Hill Inlet, we got back to the boat to head to our next stop, a beautiful snorkel site so we could get underwater and explore more of the Great Barrier Reef. And then after snorkeling, we're going to make our way to the last stop of the day, Whitehaven Beach, which is the perfect place to hang on the beach and enjoy our lunch that the tour guides prepared for us.
I don't breathe that loud.
Dude, I swear to God, I noticed it the other day too.
Yeah, I know. I got big lungs.
You got a big nose.
I do have a big nose, so do you.
The Whit Sundays are absolutely incredible. The water patterns are like nothing I've ever seen in real life. It makes no sense. The like swirls and stuff through the like bay area. It's unbelievable. There's a huge bug behind you. Bumblebee. Wow, I see I have a line from my snorkels.
We flew over the Great Barrier Reef this morning, as you guys saw. We had no idea that was part of the tour. We just thought we were flying over kind of this beach area where you guys saw that drone footage from earlier. So that was a really awesome surprise. So for both of us, for all of this, I think we paid 1,000 Australian dollars, so like 660 US for both of us, for a 60-minute scenic flight over the Great Barrier Reef in the Whitsundays and a like 6-hour boat tour. So definitely worth the money. Ocean rafting. .au. That's who we went with. Highly recommend them.
This is one of the most spectacular beaches I've ever been to. This, without a doubt, is the craziest sand I've ever stepped foot on. It is so soft. I love it. It doesn't even feel real. It feels like that kinetic sand that kids have. This has been an amazing day. We have the sun for the first time on the trip, and I'm loving life. So come to the Whitsunday Island.
So we are finishing our day here in the Whitsundays, exploring a few of the 74 islands. We saw a ton of them on our flight this morning, and then we cruised around, we snorkeled, we hiked a little bit, hung out on the beach for a while. We just got some awesome shots of Bri on the drone, but that's going to more or less wrap this up as we get on the boat one more time to ride back to Arley Beach for our last night here before a big drive tomorrow.
All right, guys, we travel the world, do 12-hour drives during the day in one day, thousands of miles to do all these cool things. So give us a like and subscribe if you liked it, and more to come in the future.